So, I just got a package in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it right now. It's an eBay purchase. And yeah, my EXO page. You can probably tell what it is, right? So let me cover the what do you call it? Addresses right now. Okay, well, first of all, it's China Post. And then it's covered Momo cards, and yeah, I'm wearing stripes today. So let's open it and see what's inside. I can't remember what the seller's name was or whatever, but you know, I really like these, so I think it was gift something like that. But yeah, I really like the tin boxes. They're so cute, right? Sorry, I don't know why I was holding it sideways. Yeah, the tin boxes are super cute. Oh, I painted my nails again. It was bugging me. So yeah, but the tin boxes are so cute. Yeah. Okay, let me open it. Oh, this is 10, 20 piece. And this is, I guess, how they write Baekhyun's name in 20 piece. Which is funny because they have Baekhyun's name in Chinese, but they don't have Chen's in Chinese. Okay, that was weird. Anyways, let me open it. It's like super cold right now. So I'm like freezing right now. Well, it's super cold for California, so here it is. Let me open this one then first. Oh, how cute! I didn't know they came with these. So they put bubble wrap in it. And then they gave me string. Sorry, my stomach's making noise. String. And then these cute clips to hang them. I won't be hanging them, but yeah. These are really cute. I'll put this right there. Okay. Oh, so here's the cards. Oh, I thought they'd be better quality, but they're just paper. See, look, it's kind of messy. Yeah. It looks kind of sleepy. Okay, it's kind of hard like this. There's so many pictures. I like this one. It's all falling out. This one's cute too. This one's from the music video. This one. Show Champion. Oh, I knew where this was from too. I can't remember. Oh wow. That was from a magazine photo shoot, I think. Pre-debut. I think that was their debut stage one. I really like this one though. I really like all of these, so yeah. Well, I think I missed one. Or did I not? Nope, I showed it. Never mind. Okay, and then I have the Baekhyun ones to show you guys too. Oh, so this one came with string and clips again too. Oh, came with more clips. This one came with like 5 clips. And this one had like 4. And I have a lot of clips. Ah, they're so cute. Ugh. Okay, some of these are backwards. So yeah, let me flip it. Ah, there's too many. Alright. Anyways, let's carry on. So Baekhyun. So cute. Ugh. This isn't gonna work out. Okay. I don't know. Lots of people like to buy this stuff, but I don't know. They're like really cute and couldn't resist, and I've been wanting them for a while, so. There's lots of recent pictures though. This one's kind of older, I think. So is this one. This was from the, what do you call it? The radio show thing. I can't remember right now, sorry. I have a headache. These pictures are so cute. Oh my god. So I have spaces for these in my binder. And I will be sticking them in. There's so many backwards ones. Okay. This one's so cute. See, pictures like this actually look like they're Polaroid. But then if they're ones like he's posing, then no. I mean, like, not posing, but like from the photo shoots, it doesn't look like this one. It doesn't look like it's a real Polaroid, like the picture itself. But it's still really cute. Pretty view. Yeah, so that's it. I have spaces for them in my binder. Oh, I just said that, didn't I? I think I did. Sorry, I have a headache, like I said. So, right after the Baekhyun cards, I already pulled out some of the sleeves so it's easier. I'm gonna stick the Baekhyun Momo cards in here, the Chen ones behind Chen's photo cards. So yeah, that's it for now. 그만 안녕. I'm gonna stick them in right now. So, thank you guys for watching. 안녕.